Okay, so here's a quick tip, really quick, for skoolie peeps. You can buy these at China Mart. That's what I like to call it, Walmart. There's no SKU number that I can find, but you can write this down. The UPC is 77578055442. And this is the 10-inch high, 21 to 37-inch wide adjustable window screen. They tell me at my local Walmart that you can order these site to store in whatever quantity you need, and they are a little too big to just put right in a school, at least my skoolie's window. They adjust for width. But if you go to the sewing department of China Mart, Walmart, you can get Velcro tape, really cheap. And I put some on here, and I took the hooky side, and I cut it in half so it wouldn't interfere with the operation of the window, and put it on here. They go on the window, nice and tight with Velcro. They're on the inside, so if you lose one while you're driving, you haven't lost it on the road, you can just pick it up and redo it, put it back on. If you have kitties, they can't push it out because it's from the inside. And they fit really well and keep the bugs out. I hope that helps.